Animals make sounds and humans make words. So there's a profound difference. Animals only make sounds. And for you to go to the next level of being above an animal, you have to have the ability to make words out of sound. At a basic level, we are all animals in science. We are animals because we all make sound. Remember, sound is just noise. But if you are able to make words out of sound, then you have the ability to create. That is why animals, if animals were to make words, they are going to rule over us. We rule over animals because we are able to make words out of sound. And remember, words are the way God appears to us, because the word is God. The word is how we interact with God. So one has to learn to make words out of sound to be a creating individual. Because if you remain making sounds like an animal, you only be content with your meal. Because the word animal can be coined as animated meal content. A creature which is content because it has its meal. And that's what we are at the basic level as humans. Until we begin to learn how to make words out of sound, we are just animated meal content. We are happy to have our ego satisfied, to have our appetite satisfied. As we have lived for 4,000 years, we wonder why whatever we create is just sound, because it's just there to satisfy our cravings, our material cravings. That is sound. But we need to create words out of sound. And words make us, if you have the ability to create words out of sound, then you can create the peace that passeth all understanding. So an animal makes sounds. Man was made to create words out of sound. And if you can do that, then you can create. We have failed to create peace on earth, to create love, to create spiritual satisfaction. All we can do, because human knowledge is just sound. Even whatever we are going into, science called AI,